Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Aeroskin from AVS on this 2022 Ford Maverick. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to keep up to date with all the latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now to start off, you're going to want to dry fit the Aeroskin on the hood. Make sure it's nice and centered in place, loosely tape it, and then take some painter's tape and run right along the top edge. That way, whenever you pull this off, you can see the part of the hood where you're going to be putting the Aeroskin. And also, what we're going to do is note where the tape is on the Aeroskin, where it's going to adhere to the hood. What we'll want to do is wipe this whole surface down with some rubbing alcohol. Then the places where the tape attach, run your adhesive promoter on that. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, now that our surface prep adhesive promoter is dry, I went ahead and grabbed the bug shield and I started peeling back the adhesive protector. What you're wanting to do is start from the center and kind of peel a couple inches back from each of the leading edges. I did this on both sides as well. That way, whenever I set it in place, we can pull it away. I also went ahead and removed our protective film from the front. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and very carefully set it in place, get it nice and straight. Don't press down just yet until everything is square and centered. All right, now we can go ahead and set everything in place. Let me go ahead and peel off my tape. That's not necessary anymore. All right, now we can go ahead and start peeling away the adhesive protector and press that in. And work to the outside, make sure that everything is lined up on the outside edge. Set that in place. Okay, now we're going to want to bear down at the tape to get good bond from the tape to the painted surface of the truck. Best way to do that is just to take a clean cloth that doesn't have any kind of debris in there. Bear down, and you can just kind of wipe as you're pushing down against that tape. This gives you a really good bond to your painted surface. Well, that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.